Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at the Outback Shop. This is part 6 of the Can-Am Maverick 1000R XMR Rebuild, if you couldn't tell. And welcome to the mud. Here we go. We're about to test this four-wheel drive and everything else we've done on this machine here in the backyard of the shop. Late at night to tick the neighbors all off, okay? We're going to rip it. We are going to go through this mud. We're going to go up this hill. We're going to go through this ditch. And I really don't care what they think. So, here we go. All right, guys, cockpit time. Here we go. Boom. Four-wheel drive engaged. It's on the indicator on the dash. We're in the backyard of the shop. I'm throwing it in low, four-wheel drive. We need to make sure these tires in the front aren't making no noise and are doing what they're supposed to. So here we go. It just rained. So again, of course, Louisiana, always raining. It's kind of deep right here. Let's see. Oh yeah, the one on the right spun. I saw that fling. The left one had grip, so it's slipping like it's supposed to. Oh, bumpy. This is very bumpy. So this is behind the shop, guys. This is my little testing ground where I take all the bikes once they're done. And if it can make it through here without having any issues, it's good to go. So, show you my little track. Oh yeah, I can feel the front pulling. Real tight. We go up this hill. Here's that hill. This is where we can really make sure it's trapped. Alright, let's turn on some lights. Maybe we can see a little better. The tires spin. Let's make sure they grab. Oh yeah, the front right where there's no, it's spinning. You can see mud flying. That's what we want to see. So here we go again. Oh yeah, they're spinning. I don't want to break an axle. But yeah, oh, that felt pretty good. Let's see. Swinging off the little mud. Oop, I passed it. We're going to the deer stand, my friend. Hope I didn't run the dog over. Watch out, though. Move, move. That dog, I swear, Mom, always in the way. Told him to get in. He's down in there. Look at him. Move. He's gonna get in the way. Where are we gonna get the dog? Where are we doing? Of course, this one was spinning, right? Oh yeah, they work. I promise you that. Front diff is definitely working really well. So that's great. That's what I want to see. Got sticks in here and everything. Woo-wee! Guys, if you've been watching the whole time, thank you for watching. Appreciate it. And everybody else too. If y'all would hit that like and subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, it'll help us out a lot. We just hit that 1,000 mark not too long ago and we want to keep growing. So it takes y'all to do that, and we really appreciate you watching and subscribing to the channel. Appreciate y'all doing that. Me and Liam, I can't thank you enough. Well, look guys, we are headed to the deer stand. So we got the four-wheel drive. It's definitely working. So I'm gonna stop right up here sucker's pretty wide. Oh. Look, Oreo's waiting on me already. He already knows where I'm going. Crazy dog. Better get out of my way. Oh, there's my feeder. But anyway, guys, this thing I think is ready to call Steven. Oh, dude, it sounds so good. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I think tomorrow morning I'm gonna give him a call after I clean it up and get it all right for him. Check everything out one more good time in the daylight, and we'll get him over here to come pick this sucker up. But look, guys, until then, if y'all would hit that like and subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and we'll see you in the next one. Y'all take it easy.